Welcome to the Frasers Cars video walk round for this Toyota Auris we now have available. This is a 17 plate Toyota Auris 1.8 hybrid XL CVT auto. Finished in dark grey metallic. It's covered just gone up for 69,000 miles. There's 7 stamps in the service book as well. The last service was completed on the 7th of October 2025. It's 66,106 miles. It comes with 2 keys and will receive a 6-month parts and labour warranty when it's sold. Specification on the car includes remote central locking with push button start, alloy wheels, rear privacy glass, front and rear parking sensors, rear parking camera, front daytime running lights, automatic headlights and rain sensing front wipers. Inside, it's a height adjustable driver's seat, a reach and rake adjustable steering column. It's front heated seats as well. Steering wheel audio controls along with cruise control. Dual zone climate control also features as does USB and auxiliary inputs. There's also DAB radio, Bluetooth and satellite navigation. In the back there's 3 3-point seat belts, and the outer rear seats have Isofix child seat preparation. There's also front and rear electric windows and electrically operated and power folding door mirrors. Into the boot. It's a 60-40 split fold on the rear seats. The rear parcel shelf is present, and under the boot carpet is a space saver spare wheel. So this car is available to view at Frasers of Falkirk MG. You can find us at Glasgow Road in Camelin, Falkirk. The postcode is FK1 4JQ. You can also view the car online at www.fraserscars.co.uk. From there you can reserve the car online, get finance quotations and also apply for finance online. Or if you'd like to give the sales team a call, they're available on 01324 632 333. Thanks for watching.